What's the meaning of acoustician? Acoustician. 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 An acoustician is a professional who specializes in the science of sound and its behavior in various environments. Acousticians are involved in designing and optimizing the acoustic properties of buildings, rooms, and other spaces to achieve optimal sound quality and minimize unwanted noise. They may also be involved in the development of audio products and systems, such as speakers and microphones. Acousticians work in a variety of industries, including architecture, construction, music, and telecommunications. Their expertise is essential in ensuring that sound is properly controlled and utilized in any given situation.